Students, I am Satyanarayana Saha. Today, today we are going to discuss about the methodology how we develop ourselves in English language, how we attempt English comprehension. Language has four skills: listening, writing, speaking, and reading. These four skills we have to develop. Start. Directions. Here 1 to 17 question given, 17 question given. Read the following passage to answer the given questions. Some words in the places are printed in bold to help you locate them while answering some of the questions. वहाँ पर कुछ बोल्ड लेटर है जो कि आंसर करने के लिए मदद करेगा. नेक्स्ट, two picture given. The passage is given about these two pictures. एक बरगद का पेड़ है, वहाँ पर एक क्रो है और उधर एक सांप है और सांप को मार रहे हैं कुछ कॉज के लिए. नेक्स्ट, इन द ब्रांच ऑफ ए बिग banyan tree, a crow family built a nest and lived in it. A black snake would crawl through its hollow trunk and eat the crow chicks as soon as they were hatched. After this had happened, many times the crow wife couldn't take it any longer. She said to the crow, "We have lost all our chicks to this awful snake, who just waits for me to hatch them and gobbles them all up. We are utterly helpless. Let us move out of this tree." But the crow, like the tree, had grown used to it, and he said, "We must find a way to kill this enemy of ours. How can we? We are mere crows. He is such a big snake. There must be ways. I may be small and weak, but I have cunning friends this time. I will not let this pass." So he went to his friend the jackal, who heard his case and advised him, "We will take care of this villain. Go to that lake where the king and his queens bathe and swim. Pick up a necklace or a jewel with it and put it in the snake's hole." The crow at once flew off to the lake and waited for the king's party to arrive, undress, take off their gold chains and pearl necklace, and get into the water. Then when they were busy enjoying themselves, he picked up a necklace and flew away. The king's servants saw this and quickly picked up their spears and sticks and pursued the crow. The crow went straight to the snake's hole under the tree and dropped the necklace in it. The king's servants dug up the hole, found the black snake, beat it to death, picked up their queen's necklace and went their way. यहाँ पर दिया गया है जो एक बड़ा बरगद पेड़ था, उसमें क्रो फैमिली रहते थे और एक ब्लैक स्नेक उन लोग का चिक्स को सब खा जाता था. तो वी हैव लॉस्ट ऑल आवर चिक्स टू दिस आवफुल स्नेक. वो क्रो का वाइफ बोला कि हम लोग सब चिक को लॉस कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो स्नेक खा जा रहा है. वी आर अटरली हेल्पलेस, मतलब हम लोग पूरी तरह से हेल्पलेस हैं. लेट अस मूव आउट ऑफ दिस ट्री, यहाँ से हम लोग निकलना होगा. बट द क्रो लाइक द ट्री, लेकिन क्रो ट्री को लाइक करता था. had grown used to it and he said, we must find a way to kill this enemy. वो सोचा कि हम एनिमी को मार दें. हाउ कैन वी, लेकिन कैसे, हम लोग क्रो हैं. ही इज सच ए बिग स्नैक, देयर मस्ट बी वेज. आई मे बी स्मॉल एंड वीक बट आई हैव कॉनिंग फ्रेंड. हम लोग का एक कॉनिंग फ्रेंड है, वो है जैकल. जैकल से हम बोलेंगे वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ दिस विलेन. और जैकल एडवाइस दिया कि उस विलेन को ख़त्म किया जाए. गो टू दैट लेक, वही लेक का पास जाओ. किंग एंड हिज क्वींस बैथ एंड स्विम, वहाँ पर रानी जाती है, क्यों कि नहाने के लिए. पिक अप ए नेकलेस और ए ज्वेल, वहाँ पर उन लोगों का ज्वेल को लेकर, वहाँ से ज्वेल को लेकर स्नेक का होल में गिरा देना है. द क्रो एट वंस फ्लू अप, वो विदाउट डिले क्रो चला गया लेक को. एंड वेटेड, और किंग्स को वेट किया. वो लोग जब नहाने आए, देन व्हेन दे वर बिजी एंजॉइंग देमसेल्फ ही पिक्ड अप ए नेकलेस एंड फ्लू अवे. द किंग सर्वेंट सो दिस, किंग सर्वेंट लोग देखे और वो लोग picked up their spears and sticks and pursued the crow. The crow went straight to the snake's hole. वो लोग snake hole under the tree and dropped the necklace in it. वहाँ पर drop कर दिए. The king's servant dug up the hole, found the black snake. वो लोग को black snake मिल गया. Beat it to death. मारकर उसको मरा दिए. Picked up their queen's necklace and went their way. ये था story. After that question, which of the following is the meaning of the phrase at once as used in this passage? One time, once upon a time, taking one's own time, with a jerk, without delay. At once ये होगा without delay. Which of the following is true about the jackal? He was a friend of crow's wife. He used to live under the same tree. He was crafty. He was also troubled by the snake. None of these. वो crafty था. Which of the following is the meaning of the phrase take it as used in the passage? Take it मतलब tolerate. वो लोग tolerate और नहीं कर पाए. What trouble did crow family have from the snake? Crow family snake से कौन सा trouble face कर रहे थे? It used to eat their eggs. It used to scare the crow's wife. It used to eat their food. It used to eat their nest. None of these. Who picked up the necklace from the lake? Lake से कौन necklace को उठाया? ये crow. क्रो जैकल, क्रो वाइफ, किंग सर्वेंट, नॉन ऑफ दिस. यहाँ पर आंसर विल बी क्रो. ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू अबाउट द ट्री. इट वाज बिग, वो बिग था. इट हैड ब्रांचेस, ब्रांचेस. इट हैड सॉलिड ट्रंक. इट वाज banyan ट्री. इट हैड crow's nest. It had solid trunk. This will be the answer. When the king's servant saw the crow flying away with the necklace, which of the following they do? They rushed for the tree. They killed the crow. They made a big noise. They followed the crow. They snatched the necklace from the crow. They followed the crow. वो लोग crow को follow किए. Answer will be D. 8. Which of the following proposed by crow's wife? कौन सा propose किया था crow wife ने? To stay on the same tree, ये नहीं होगा. To kill the snake, the scheme to kill the snake, to take help of jackal. None of the answer. Answer will be none of these. Which of the following is not mentioned in the passage? The advice the jackal gave to crow. Which ornament was dropped in the hole? The place from where the ornament was picked up. Number of times the snake had eaten crow chicks. The place where the snake lived. यहाँ पर which of the following not mentioned in the passage में नहीं है. The advice the jackal gave to crow, ये तो है. Which ornament was dropped in the hole? The place where the ornament was picked up. Number of times the snake had eaten crow chicks, ये नहीं है. Which of the following is the meaning of the phrase let this pass as used in the passage? Qualify, ignore, appear, cease, come to an end. यहाँ पर let this pass means ignore. Question 11. What was Crow's reaction when his wife expressed helplessness? क्रो का रिएक्शन क्या था जब उसका वाइफ हेल्पलेसनेस मतलब बेसहारा महसूस किया. He also felt helpless. He felt that the enemy was too strong to be defeated. He decided to ignore the problem. He was an optimistic of finding a solution. He thought of king and his queen. यहाँ पर वो ऑप्टिमिस्टिक था सॉल्यूशन ढूंढने में. ऑप्टिमिस्टिक मतलब पॉजिटिव. Which of the following was desirable in the scheme of things advised by the jackal? Nobody should see the crow picking up the necklace. The king's servant should see the necklace being dropped in the snake's hole. The king's servant should not follow the crow. The jackal should steal the necklace. None of these. King's servant should see the necklace being dropped in the snake hole. Why did jackal give the idea of dropping king's party necklace in the hole and not any other ordinary citizen's necklace or jewel? क्यों jackal ने एडवाइस दिया था जो कि किंग्स पार्टी का नेकलेस उस हॉल में गिराने के लिए? Jackal was sure that king's servant would try to get back the necklace. क्योंकि Jackal श्योर था किंग्स सर्वेंट लोग नेकलेस को रिटर्न बैक करने के लिए प्रयास करेंगे. Jackal wanted to take revenge upon the king. Jackal चाहता था कि किंग से रिवेंज लिया जाए. There was no specific reason for suggesting this. King's servant had spears with them. Only queen's necklace could have gone inside the hall. यहाँ पर आंसर मिल गया है. Jackal was sure that the king's servant would try to get back the necklace. यहाँ पर दिया गया है 14 से 15. Choose the word which is most nearly the same meaning as the word given in bold type as used in the passage. Utterly, really, disturbingly, totally, expressingly, verbally. Utterly means totally. ये नियर मीनिंग होता है. awful, huge, ugly, miserable, awkward, horrible. awful का साथ ugly. choose the word which is most nearly the opposite. यहाँ पर opposite जो मीनिंग है उसको टिक करना है. of the word given in bold type as used in the passage. arrive, arrive, settle, depart, reach, meet, fell. arrive का होगा depart. found, missed, lost, destroy, removed, overlook. found का होगा lost. directions 18 to 23. यहाँ पर कुछ डायरेक्शन दिया गया है. in each question below 4 words A, B, C and D are given, one of which may be wrongly spelled. Find out that word, the spelling of which is wrong. The number of that word is the answer. If all the 4 words are spelled correctly, the answer is E. For example, all is correct. So, यहाँ पर 4 वर्ड दिया गया है. वहाँ से ढूंढना है कौन सा वर्ड का स्पेलिंग गलत है अगर स्पेलिंग गलत नहीं है तो ई ऑप्शन होगा, अगर गलत है वही वाला आंसर होगा। रिप्रीव, रिप्रीव यहाँ पर आई ई है, रिप्रीव का स्पेलिंग REPREIVE, ये वाला गलत था। रिट्रोस्पेक्ट, रिट्रीट, रिसीव, ऑल करेक्ट। तो यहां पर आंसर होगा ए। क्वेश्चन 19, ए ओकेजनल, ऑक्यूपेशनल, ओकरेंस, ओशन, इसका सब सही है, आंसर होगा ऑल करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन 20, क्वालिफिकेशन, कॉलम, क्वारल, क्वेरी, यहाँ पर QUERY होगा, क्वेरी। आंसर डी। क्वेश्चन 21, ग्लैमर, ग्रेजुएट, ग्रीज, इसका स्पेलिंग होगा GREESE, ग्रीनरी, ये करेक्ट है, तो आंसर होगा सी। क्वेश्चन 22, डिमाइस, फर्नीचर, रिक्लेम नहीं, रिक्लेम, RECLAIM, रिक्लेम होगा, प्रीमाइस, आंसर होगा सी, सी रॉन्ग है। क्वेश्चन 23, सजेशन, रिकमेंडेशन, रिवेलेशन, सुइसाइड, ऑल करेक्ट, यहाँ पर ई ऑप्शन होगा, ऑल करेक्ट। डायरेक्शंस 24 to 30, in each of the following questions 6 words are given which are denoted by A, B, C, D, E and F. By using all the 6 words each only once, you have to frame a meaningful and grammatically correct sentence. The correct order of the words is your answer. Choose from the 5 alternatives the one having the correct order of words and mark it as your answer on the answer sheet. यहाँ पर 6 ठो वर्ड दिया जाएगा, 6 ठो वर्ड इधर उधर होकर है, उसको अरेंज कर ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट सेंटेंस बनाना है और मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाना है। क्वेश्चन 24, मनी, ही, टू, हीज, गेव, Ashok, these words are given. You have to arrange in that way to form a meaningful sentence. He gave his money to Ashok. Here it is B. Gave E. His D. Money A. To C and Ashok F. BEDSEF. BEDSEF. D is the answer. Question 25. Food grain production gone up, has up. These words given. Here production of food grain has gone up. Production, it is B. of it is F. Food grain. A. Has. E. Gone. C. Up. D. B. F. A. E. C. D. These are in C. Question 26. For opened family door we connection. We opened door for family connections. We, it is E. Opened. B. Door. D. For. A. Family, it is C. And connection, it is F. E. B. D. A. C. F. These are in E option. Question 27. Behave some very always funny people. Some people always behave very funnily. Some, it is B. People, it is F. Always, it is D. Behave, it is A. Very, it is C. Funnily, E. BFD SEE. BFD SEE. C will be the answer. Question 28. Has rang he me up never. These are the 6 words. We have to arrange such a way to meaningful grammatical correct sentence. He has never rang me up. He, she has a never have rang B me D of E CAF BDE CAF BDE. Answer will be A. Diwali surfaced had he again last. Last Diwali he had surfaced again. He had surfaced again. Last it is F. Diwali, A. He, D. Had, C. Surfaced, B. Again, E. F है D, C, B, E. F है D, C, B, E. D will be the answer. Question 30. Actually, jocks are sensitive me about. Jocks are sensitive about me actually. Jocks, it is B. R, C. Sensitive, it is D. About, it is F. Me, it is E. Actually, it is A. B, C, D, F, E, A. B, C, D, F, E, A. Answer will be D. Directions 31 to 40. Read each sentence to find out whether there is any error in it. The error, if any, will be in one part of the sentence. The number of that part is the answer. If there is no error, the answer is E. Ignore the errors of punctuation if any. यहाँ पर बोला गया है 31 से 40 तक सेंटेंस दिया गया है, वहाँ से एरर ढूंढना है, एरर डिटेक्ट करना है. जोन सा पार्ट में एरर है वही आंसर है. अगर सेंटेंस ग्रामेटिकल करेक्ट है तो आंसर ई होगा. सी क्वेश्चंस 31. Neither the salary nor the work atmosphere were good in that office. यहाँ पर होगा ये वेयर रॉन्ग है, ये हो जाएगा was. So answer will be C. 32. I have been working on my autobiography for the last 7 years. ये सब करेक्ट है, ग्रामेटिकल करेक्ट, दैट्स वाई नो एरर. आंसर ई. क्वेश्चन 33. इफ यू वुड हैव इन्फॉर्म मी आई वुड हैव immediately taken some action against him. यहाँ पर रॉन्ग है, ये हो जाएगा इफ यू हैड. आंसर इज ए. Therefore, he always want to get the best of facilities whether he deserves it or not. यहाँ पर ये always wants हो जाएगा, तो ये ए, आंसर ए. 35. His only fame to claim is that he is son of a rich man. ये है ए, बी, सी, डी और ई, नॉट एरर. तो यहाँ पर फेम टू क्लेम, ये हो जाएगा क्लेम टू फेम. दैट्स वाई बी विल बी द आंसर. 36. No sooner did he announce the tore the children screamed with great joy. ये है ए, बी, सी, डी और ई. यहाँ पर होगा then the children, then answer will be C. 37. He is known for both his hard work and intelligent. ये है ए, बी, सी, डी और ई. यहाँ पर इंटेलिजेंट नहीं होगा, इंटेलिजेंस होगा, इंटेलिजेंस. सो डी इज आंसर. 38. He had no illusions of being either a distinguished writer or a editor. A, B, C, D और E. यहाँ पर A एडिटर नहीं होकर आर्टिकल मिस्टेक है, एन एडिटर होगा. आंसर इज डी. 39. It did not take me very long to size up my fellow interviews. यहाँ पर ये होगा size up. SEIZD, size up. It is wrong. A, B, C. C is the answer. And Ramesh along with his children was invited for the party in Ashok Hall. ये हो जाएगा invited to. A, B, C. C is the answer. Directions 41 to 50. A passage is given below in which blanks have been numbered. Against each number, 5 alternative choices are given below. In the context of the whole passage, select the best word in each case to fit each of the blanks to complete the passage correctly and meaningfully. एक पैसेज दिया गया है, वहाँ पर वर्ड है, 5 तो वर्ड दिया गया है, वहाँ से चूज कर कर उसी सेंटेंस को जोन सा वर्ड फिट होगा वहाँ भरना है. Having made a dash of his first dash, he decided that his second wife must be chosen scientifically. First he made a list of the women he considered dash, then he wrote on one side their dash qualities and on the other side their dash qualities. Mathematically he chose the lady with the most dash qualities, but the second marriage was a worse failure than the first. But dash once did he think of listing his own had dash dash marriage might have been a success if he had looked into his own heart for the dash. Having made a dash of his first dash, he decided that his second wife must be chosen scientifically. यहाँ पर फर्स्ट वन होगा फेलियर एंड सेकंड वन होगा वाइफ, 42 वाइफ. (43) will be eligible answer. 44 will be common. 46 D answer. 47 C answer. 48 D answer. 49 B answer. 50 A answer.